Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix delayed TradingView charts. So all you need to do is follow these simple steps. So first, check your internet connection, make sure your internet is stable, refresh the page or reconnect to your network if the connection is slow, refresh the TradingView chart, reload the browser page or restart the TradingView app to reset the chart data. Verify your market data subscription. Some exchanges require a paid real-time data subscription. Without it, charts may be delayed by about 10 to 15 minutes. Clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. Then reload TradingView. Close unnecessary tabs or apps. Too many running programs can slow down chart update. Close extra tabs to improve performance, and then switch servers if needed. In TradingView settings, reconnect or reload to connect to a faster server. Log out and log back in. Sign out of your TradingView account and log in again to refresh your session. Update your browser or app. Make sure your browser or the TradingView desktop app is updated to the latest version, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.